Why does data analysis matter so much in today's world? How does a tool like Excel help us make sense of vast amounts of information? Today, our focus is on understanding the power of Excel functions and how they can turn a mountain of data into meaningful insights. Let's dive into the data ocean with our first lifeboat, the sum function. Imagine having a list of numbers, perhaps sales figures or student grades. Adding them up manually would be a chore, wouldn't it? Excel's sum function makes this task a breeze. Just type =sum, followed by the range of cells you want to add up, and then close the bracket. Press enter and voila, you have your total. Next up is the average function, a handy tool when you need to find the mean value of a data set. To deploy this function, enter =average, followed by your chosen cell range, and then close the bracket. Press enter. Now you have the average. It's as simple as that. But what if you need to know how many entries there are in your dataset? That's where the COUNT function comes into play. Type $count and then your cell range. Close the bracket, press enter, and there you have it. The total count of cells with numerical data in your selected range. There are also functions like max and min which help you find the highest and lowest values in your dataset respectively. These functions operate in the same way. Just type $max or $min, followed by your cell range, close the bracket, and press enter. Now, let's say you want to find out how spread out your data is. The STDEV.P function is your go-to tool for calculating the standard deviation of an entire population. Type STDEV.P, followed by your cell range, close the bracket, and press enter. The resulting number gives you a measure of your data's dispersion. Remember, Excel is not just about numbers. The COUNTA function, for example, counts the number of non-empty cells in a range, whether they contain numbers, text, or even errors. To use it, type $COUNTA, followed by your cell range, close the bracket, and press enter. To summarize, Excel functions from sum to average, from count to max and min, and from STDEV.P to COUNTA are powerful tools in data analysis. They help us perform complex calculations with ease, making the task of understanding and interpreting data much more manageable. No longer do we need to grapple with mountains of data manually. With Excel functions at our fingertips, we can slice, dice, and analyze data in seconds, transforming raw numbers into actionable insights. So go ahead, embrace the power of Excel and make your data work for you.